Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ashish Nema and I am going to deliver you lecture on the topic signal and its classification. In previous lecture we discussed about the definition of signal and classification of the signal. Now in this lecture we discuss about the types of signal. Our first topic is analog and digital signal. Now we can characterize all types of signal. Now our first signal is analog signal. Now we can see the definition of signal. Analog signal, it is a type of signal which varies smoothly and continuously with time. It is continuously in nature in the given interval of time. So analog signal is a signal which is always continuous in nature in the given time interval. You can see the waveform of analog signal. Here it is a function of time. It can be our voice signal, music signal, etc. So in this picture you can see that our waveform is always continuous in nature. And that type of signal is a category of analog signal. So we can see the picture of analog signal. Now we can see the example of what is analog signal. So as speech and waveform is an analog signal since it has amplitude that vary over a continuous range. So if our signal is vary in a given interval of time in continuous in nature, so signal is called analog signal. Now second we discuss about digital signal. Now we discuss about digital signal. Now we discuss what we can see the definition of digital signal. Digital signal, a signal representation is that of a sequence of numbers, each number representing signal magnitude at an instant of time. The resulting signal is called digital signal. So digital signal is a signal which is always represented in a form of sequence of numbers. Now we can see the waveform. In this waveform we can see that the signal is represented in a sequence of numbers. So we can see that the example of digital signal is binary number system to represent a digital signal. Here in each instant of time it represents the magnitude either 1 or 0. So this signal is always representation in a form of sequence of numbers. Digital signal, digital messages are constructed with a finite number of symbols. If you can see any digital signal, then you can see that digital messages are always constructed by a sequence of numbers or finite number of symbols. So it is an example of digital signal. Thank you.